Hey there, green thumbs. Today I'm diving into the wonderful world of lettuce. Growing your own lettuce is not only easy, but also super rewarding. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. First things first, you need to choose the right type of lettuce. There are four main types: Iceberg, Romaine, Butterhead, and loose leaf. Each has its own unique flavor and texture. Personally, I love the crispiness of Romaine. Next up, let's talk soil. Lettuce loves well-drained, fertile soil. Mix in some compost to give it a nutrient boost. Now plant your seeds about a quarter-inch deep and space them at least 8 inches apart. This gives them room to grow and thrive. Watering is crucial. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Lettuce has shallow roots, so frequent, light watering is ideal. And remember, morning is the best time to water to avoid mildew. Sunlight is next on the list. Lettuce needs about 6 hours of sunlight daily. If you're in a hot region, consider partial shade to avoid wilting. Too much sun can make the leaves bitter. Once your lettuce starts to grow, thin out your seedlings. This means removing the weaker plants to give the stronger ones space. It might seem harsh, but it's necessary for a healthy crop. Harvesting time. Depending on the type, lettuce can be ready in as little as 30 days. Simply cut the outer leaves as needed or harvest the whole plant. Fresh, homegrown lettuce tastes so much better than store-bought. Now let's chat about health benefits. Lettuce is low in calories but high in essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K. It's great for hydration thanks to its high water content. Plus, it's packed with fiber, which is awesome for digestion. Growing lettuce at home isn't just about the taste, it's about knowing exactly what's in your food. No pesticides, no chemicals, just pure fresh goodness. So there you have it, folks. Growing lettuce is a breeze and the health benefits are just the cherry on top. Get planting and enjoy your fresh, crispy, homegrown lettuce. Catch you in the next video and happy gardening.